things I like to do. I like being stuck. I like eating nuts, Lou. I love food. I love being cheerful. Because I love the sound of